Window installation is an exciting step toward enhancing your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and overall value. In Houston, where the climate ranges from humid summers to mild winters, preparing your home for window installation ensures the process is seamless and stress-free. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, these steps will help you get your home ready for a hassle-free experience. Clear the area around the windows. The first step is to make the workspace accessible for the installers. Remove any furniture, decorations, or obstructions near the windows. This includes curtains, blinds, and any wall hangings nearby. By clearing the area, you give the installation team ample room to work safely and efficiently. Pro tip: cover large pieces of furniture that can't be moved with drop cloths to protect them from dust and debris. Protect your floors. Window installation often involves debris like old caulk, shards of glass, or pieces of the frame. To protect your flooring, lay down drop cloths or old blankets in high-traffic areas and directly beneath the windows being replaced. This is especially important in Houston homes, where hardwood or tiled floors are common and can be prone to scratches or chips. Ensure easy access to the installation area. Window installers need a clear path to bring tools and materials in and out of your home. Make sure doorways, hallways, and staircases are free of clutter. If you have a two-story home or windows in harder-to-reach places, ask the installation team if additional access measures are needed, such as ladders or scaffolding. Prepare for Houston's weather. Houston's unpredictable weather can play a role in your window installation day. Check the forecast ahead of time, and if rain or severe heat is expected, confirm with your installer whether they'll proceed as planned. Most professional installers have protocols for working in Houston's weather, but it's wise to be prepared. Secure pets and children. Window installation involves loud noises, heavy equipment, and open spaces that can be hazardous for pets and children. To ensure their safety, keep them in a separate room or arrange for them to stay with a friend or family member during the installation. This step minimizes stress for everyone and allows the installers to focus on their work. Communicate with your installer. Clear communication with your installer is key to a smooth process. Confirm details such as the start time, estimated duration, and any specific preparations they recommend. If you live in an HOA community in Houston, ensure you've secured any necessary approvals or informed your WA of the work being done. Pro tip: provide contact information in case the installers need to reach you during the process. Prepare for dust and debris. Window installation can get messy. Even with careful precautions, dust and debris may spread during the process. Consider covering nearby items with plastic sheets and sealing off rooms adjacent to the work area. After the installation, a quick vacuum or wipe down will restore your home to its clean state. Plan for disposal of old windows. Most professional window installers include the removal and disposal of old windows in their service. However, it's a good idea to confirm this detail beforehand. If you plan to reuse or recycle the old windows, make arrangements for storage or transportation. Take pre-installation photos. If you're replacing windows as part of a renovation project, take photos of the existing windows and the surrounding areas. This documentation can be useful for your records, especially if you encounter warranty issues or want to showcase your home's transformation. Inspect and test the new windows. After installation, take the time to inspect the work with your installer. Check for proper sealing, smooth operation, and alignment. If there are any concerns, address them immediately with the team. In Houston's climate, energy efficiency and proper sealing are crucial to keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills low. Final thoughts. Preparing your Houston home for window installation is all about creating a safe, accessible, and organized environment for the installers. By following these steps, you'll set the stage for a smooth process and enjoy the benefits of your new windows without unnecessary stress. From clearing the area to accounting for Houston's unique weather, a little preparation goes a long way toward ensuring your installation day is a success. Ready to get started? Reach out to a trusted local window installation professional and take the first step toward transforming your Houston home.